So what is up, bread gang? Today is, oh man, today's a great day. So as you can tell by the roar in the background, well, I'm coming up to a stoplight now, or a stop sign. As you can tell by the roar in the background that you will hear in just a minute, I am back in the wide bow tie. Yes, I have picked the truck up. It is driving great. The alignment is great. Everything's riding absolutely fantastic. It hasn't been washed since, damn, it's been since that video I made with my coworker's truck. So I mean, it's been about a month since it's been washed, and it's just been sitting under a couple trees. So currently I'm heading over to Nick's house. If y'all remember Nick from some of my older videos, he's got the blue and I want to say like a silver grayish color two-tone F-150 with the TIS wheels and the 355s. Make sure y'all go give him a follow. I'm gonna leave his information in the description below. Awesome guy. He is gonna be washing my truck today, first things first, and then I've got some pictures planned later that we're getting to the truck. I do have some bad news for the truck, obviously by the thumbnail. The truck is not 100% done yet. So, I mean, I don't know when we're gonna do a full reveal, if I'm gonna be able to do a full reveal like I had planned, I don't know yet. So the upper control arms are done. I do not have the emblems on. The headlights are not, the new headlights are not in, and the wheel lights are not done. So literally the only things that got done in that 3 or 4 weeks that the truck has been gone is all the gears have been fixed and the upper control arms have gone on, the new ones, and the alignment's been done. So I don't have the emblems on, I don't have the new headlights in, and I'll get into all of that in a little bit when we, get into the video. But let's roll the intro and let's go get this thing clean, man.
Talking about, let's get this bread, baby. That's what I'm talking about.
I don't really know where I left off, but again, link in the description. Make sure y'all give him a follow. Does a great job for me. I know it's probably gonna rain today, but I'm getting the truck washed anyway. So just to let y'all know, obviously as y'all can see, this is the truck. It is back on the channel. I'm just so freaking happy. Y'all have no idea. The new headlights are not in, unfortunately. They haven't had time today, and it was gonna have to be into next week, and I didn't want to let them keep the truck over the weekend again. I was not having that. So the new gears are in. I'm gonna fool around with the new headlights again tomorrow. Hopefully I can get the new headlights in and all the bulbs and stuff, get the emblems on the upper control arms. I'm not gonna show you guys any of that yet, just because I want to do a full reveal for all the stuff like I cannot do today. But the truck is back on the channel. I have got, hey, hit the link in the description. I'm telling you right there. I know you live in Tallahassee. Hit the link in the description. Follow him, hit him up. He does a great job. We're gonna go take some pictures, get it cleaned up. I will see you guys. Somehow in the crazy turn of events, the truck is back in the shop already. I haven't had it for 3 or 4 hours and the truck's already back in the shop. So I go to leave Nick's house from getting the truck washed, and again, the truck jerks forward like it did. And I'm sitting there thinking to myself, crap, is it the gears? What is it? And we're sitting in front of the place that did the front gears. And any guesses in the comments below before I show you? None other than the CV axle. So obviously you can see the CV axle's blown. It's broken right there. And yeah, so the gears are fine, rear gears are fine, but of course now I've blown a CV axle. So just how my life goes. But I've already picked up, there's an auto parts store literally right there. So I picked up a new CV axle. It's in the back of the truck. They're gonna throw it on Monday for me, and we'll be back in business. So of course, no filming today, no pictures today, but that's how the channel's going right now. So that's another 250 bucks that I'm having to fork out for this truck. Let me know if I should sell it in the comments below. That's kind of what I'm leaning towards right now. Definitely, I'm not even upset. It just doesn't even surprise me at this point. So can't even be mad about something like that. So I'm back in the minivan. Obviously, I'm actually on the way to drop the minivan off. By the grace of God, thank you so much to Nationwide Transmissions in Tallahassee. They literally, like I said, they have a CarQuest right next door, so I picked up a CV axle for 70 bucks, and they're gonna go ahead and throw it in for me today. So they're gonna give me a call about 5 or 5:30, and the truck should be back on the road today. Thank the Lord, like, geez. But, I mean, it's just like, I mean, we'll see. I mean, there's no way of knowing. I'm supposed to pick it up. It's only 3:45. I'm supposed to pick it up at like 5 or 5:30. He's gonna give me a call at any minute, sometime between now. He said that it'll be done before they leave today, though. So thank you to Carlton. I believe that was his name, over at Nationwide. You're the best. That's what we go through on the channel. So I'm gonna let a little time pass in the YouTube world, and I will see you guys when I pick the truck up. So dropped the minivan off finally. Minivan is gone. I'm in my beautiful girlfriend's car right now. I think I told y'all that like 3:45 I was heading to drop the minivan off. It is now 4:10, 4:15, and the truck is about to be done. So that quick, the truck was back off the channel, now back on the channel. So I mean, today has just been a roller coaster of just back and forth, back and forth. I didn't know if the alignment was even gonna get done this morning. They told me that the shop that was supposed to do it might not be able to do it because the tires are too wide. They ended up still doing it because they're a bunch of Joe Blows. And then I got the truck back with no headlights, no wheel lights. And what are you laughing at me? Don't put me on, don't make me. That's what I thought. So we're going to pick the truck up. It's another couple $100 down the drain. Hopefully the other CV axle doesn't go. I'm gonna be completely honest, I'm really nervous to drive the truck now. So I feel like something's gonna break on it, but send it, why not? That's what we do. We're gonna go pick it up, and hopefully I don't break anything else. It's a green light. So within 45 minutes or so, they get the CV axle in. Everything's fine, everything's great. I pay the man, we get, you know, I get in, I back it up. As I go to pull it out of the parking lot up here at Nationwide, my truck's sitting over there. I pull it out, and as I pull about here, the front end freezes up and it stops moving. And literally, I have to hit, you know, apply a lot of pressure to the gas to even get it to move. And so he pulls it up, he, you know, pops the whatever it is up front, and the actuator, which I have no idea what the hell that is. Apparently it's the piece that engages the four-wheel drive up front, has been stuck. So all of today, which is what I thought, the truck has been stuck in four-wheel drive, and he just took the piece out. So what I'm gonna do, and I'm not gonna lie to any of you, I'll probably order the piece on Monday, but until then, he can take the little spring or clamp out of the actuator, and my truck will no longer be four-wheel drive. So it'll look four-wheel drive, it'll have CV axles, but the four-wheel drive won't work. At this point, I don't really care, because I'm just tired of fooling with it, and it's, you know, I don't even know what to say. So yeah. So as of today, the truck is not four-wheel drive for the foreseeable future. I'll know maybe Monday or Tuesday whether or not, you know, I put the piece back in. I think he's coming back over here. So let me go talk with them and see what's going on. It is really freaking hot, but the truck is back home. It is finally driving correctly. But I mean, let's do a little recap of the day. So first, you know, finally I didn't think the truck was gonna get done. It finally gets done about 12 o'clock. I go pick it up. I go get it washed because I wanted to look all pretty because I was supposed to take some pictures today. Then the jerking starts, blow a CV axle. Praise the Lord, we get the CV axle replaced. I go to leave with the new CV axle, and the actuator goes out. So now we got, you know, the new CV axle that's in there and the actuator that's messed up with the, you know, the four-wheel drive part taken out. So as of right now, no, that wide bow tie is not four-wheel drive. Roast me in the comments, but you want, but y'all have not been through what I've been through for the past month with this stupid thing. So I see a solid axle swap in my future. That's for damn sure. But thanks for sticking around with the channel. New stuff coming with the truck. I'm gonna fool with the headlights probably tomorrow, and you know, the upper control arms. Maybe, I don't know. We'll see how it goes. Until next time, guys. I love you so much. Let's get this bread.